Hey everyone, my name is Deepak and in today's video I'm going to discuss about loops in Python. Let's say I want to print my name 5 times or say 10 times. So to do that I need to type print 10 times manually. But let's say I want to do that 100 times. Would I have to type my name 100 times? No, obviously not. I'm not mad. So what I have to do is I need to use loops to do exactly that. For example, first of all, let's discuss about how to do that using for loop. So this is for loop. You just need to type the keyword for, then followed by the variable name, which will hold the value of each iteration. What is it? I am going to discuss about iteration later on. So this is variable. This is an operator. And what I need to do here is I need to call the function called range. Range allows us to provide the loop, the starting and stopping point. So when the loop will start and when it will stop. So simply let's type 6, okay, colon, you know that. Let's type print and my name. This is the statement I'm going to repeat, and this is the loop I'm going to use to repeat that. Now let's start. As you can see, the statement that my name has been printed 5 times. Okay, so you can ask that I have provided 6 here, but why it is printing 5 times? So in range, if you type the stop value here, it will iterate from 0 to the value previously then the value you have mentioned here. Like it will start from 0 and go until 5. So now let's say delete this statement. I'm going to print a number series here. So let's type print then x. So exactly this variable holds the value in each iteration for this loop. To understand that, let's run it first. So as you can see here, let's create the terminal bigger. The value of x starts from 0 and goes until 5. This is the normal characteristics of range. It's by default, if you provide the value here, it is understood as the stop value where the loop will stop. Then it will start from 0 and it will continue until the value previous of the value you mentioned just here. Okay, now let's provide the start value here, 1 comma 6. So right now 1 is the start value and 6 is the stop value. The value before 6 is the stop value, sorry. Now let's run it again and see what happens. So as you can see, it started from 1 and went in until 5. So what is happening here? Normally, when you start the loop, the range function provides a value. For example, provides 1 inside this x variable, which is a loop variable. And, and it comes inside the loop statement here and prints the value. Simply prints the value of x. That's it. Then after doing that, it iterates again. So iteration is every time the loop is moving. So after that, after printing this statement, the value of x is now 2. The range provides a value of x is 2. Then it prints again, then it's 3, then it's 4, then 5. That's it. After that, the range function does not provide any value, so the loop stops. That's how a loop or for loop works. So we need a variable x or anything. You can name it anything. X equals to, I'm going to start with, 1. Okay. Let's provide the condition while x less than equals to 5. So what I'm saying here in this code that while will keep executing itself until the value of x is not matching with this condition, until the value of x is more than this expression here. So by default, first iteration, the value of x is 1. So 1 is less than obviously equals to 5. So it executes the statements below. But what I need to do is, if I just run it like this, loop keeps executing itself continuously without any stop. I need to manually stop it by pressing in this terminal control C in this terminal. It will interrupt. It will interrupt the execution. So you can ask, what is happening here? This phenomena is called an infinite loop. So infinite loop is when a loop does not stops itself automatically. So what I need to do is, there is a problem here. I didn't tell the value of x to increase itself each time the loop iterates. At the ending statement inside while, I need to do this: x plus equals to 1. So what's happening here? In first iteration, the value of x is 1, as you can see. 1 is less than 5, obviously. The value of x is obviously less than 5 in first iteration. It prints that. Then after, in this statement, it increases the value of x with 1. If you know plus equals to. So right now what is happening here, it's the value of x is 2. So when the value of x is 2, the condition runs again, then it prints again, then it becomes 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. When the value of x is 6, the condition or the expression does not work, so the loop stops right there. That's how while loop works. Simple as that. Okay, so you have now seen how to work with a for loop, how to generate a number series or execute a statement multiple times using for loop or while loop. So if you have any questions regarding this thing, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to continue with loop in my next video, where I will discuss about collections and how to iterate those collections using loops. So loops are not done here. It will be followed throughout the series of these videos. If this video have helped you in any way, please let me know in the comment section and press the like button. And thank you very much for watching.